Breaking news, my darling, wonderful people. Finally, the table has turned against Fubara as Supreme Court reinstate orders stopping the River State allocation. Guys, it has happened. Finally, Wike go talk saying don't win. The Supreme Court on Friday reinstates the judgment that barred the Central Bank of Nigeria and the Accountant General of the Federation from releasing statutory monthly allocation to Rivers State government. Now, the Apex Court has further ordered that Honorable Martins Amaewhule led faction of the Rivers State House of Assembly and other elected members of the House forthwith resume sitting unhindered. Guys, it don't really happen. This na very big trouble for Fubara. At the time that everybody don dey think say things go work out well for Fubara, say Fubara don dey take control, somehow, then court con go give this kind of judgment. This na big trouble. So the court faulted the Abuja Division of Court of Appeal for vacating the initial order that stopped the release of funds to Rivers State from the consolidated revenue following the failure of the governor of Rivers State, Sim Fubara's refusal to represent the 2024 appropriation bill of the state before Honorable Martins Amaewhule-led faction of the Rivers State House of Assembly. It held that, contrary to the verdict of the appellate court, the Federal High Court in Abuja had the requisite jurisdiction to entertain the suit that Amaewhule-led 27 lawmakers filed to challenge the continued withdrawal and expenditure of funds belonging to state without the approval of the State Assembly. The five-member panel of the Apex Court, in its lead judgment that was delivered by Justice Emmanuel Agim, held that the appellate court misapprehended the core issue in dispute when it pegged it on the consolidated revenue of Rivers State alone. This wrong view influenced it to hold that the subject matter was not within the power of the Federal High Court, stressing that what was at the center of the case was the refusal of Governor Fubara to obey a subsiding court order mandating him to present the appropriation bill to the valid assembly. Okay. It agreed with the High Court that 27 lawmakers that allegedly defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress (APC) are still valid members of the Rivers State Assembly, pending the final determination of their status. The Supreme Court dismissed Governor Fubara's claim that, given the defection of the lawmakers, he had to invoke the doctrine of necessity by presenting the appropriation bill to the only 5 remaining members of the Assembly. According to the court, the doctrine of necessity could not be invoked to justify an illegal action. My people, na so we dey see am o. This na another big trouble for Fubara. All this while he has been working even without these defected 27 lawmakers. They have been giving him trouble. How much more when be say they can't bring them back? Which means they are going to frustrate all his efforts. This na very big trouble. You know, all this thing started when those 27 lawmakers tried to impeach him. Now, this one don't give Wike a big top up, as in, with this Supreme Court ruling right now, Wike, I can imagine what is going through his mind. He will feel like saying one fly for now. This court ruling, really, this Supreme Court really did not really go down well with so many people. A lot of people, they've reacted. So let's take a look. This person said, we understand where the Supreme Court is coming from. Very soon, Wike will start building houses for them in their villages. Okay, when he's done with the one in Abuja. They really want to cause chaos in Rivers State. And by the way, when are they ordering a by-election in Rivers State? Someone else is dropping this. Fubara can survive without federal allocation. The backlog will be returned later. All right. Someone else is saying this. There is no hope in our judicial system. Oh. Our only hope is God. So while waiting for God to fight for you, please fight and protect your own before they kill you or even take everything from your generation to come. We live in a wicked world where the evil ones killed and go for secret confession for forgiveness of their soul, corrupt leaders. Okay, someone else is dropping this. He said the Supreme Court appeared to favor the government in power rather than acting as an impartial dispenser of justice. Nigerian citizens have not seen any positive result from this court. You can see the way people are reacting to this. Actually, many people did not see this coming because they thought, seems there is a section of the constitution, Nigerian constitution, which every law, even the Supreme Court ruling, still come out from the same constitution. So since there is a portion of the constitution, section 109, that automatically say that any lawmakers that defected from the party wey be say na im elect them, the party wey give them power, say based that defected and enter another party wey be say there is no issue before they leave the party, say automatically their seat don go vacant. So that is what has been in the mindset of people. People thought that Supreme Court are going to give their ruling based on that. But with this case, it really shows say the table don't turn. The table really turned in the favor of Martins, Amaewhule, and the set and his people. It turned in the favor of Wike. Yes, on Wike now. We no go hear word again. All right, so someone else is dropping this. He said, I remember during Wike's tenure, the same thing happened, but did not stop Wike from developing the state. Really, 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 my people. You see the reason why people go just they blame the government because of wetin dey happen. Nigerian government and Nigerian law. Now the one wey be say if you reach A, e go favour A. If the same thing happen to B, because the B no dey within the inner caucus, e no go favour B. That is what Nigerian law dey show over the years with what has been happening. Just imagine, we can remember vividly during Wike time. He managed the state with how many lawmakers? Nobody kill am. But why is he now trying to frustrate Fubara? Or just because of their political difference and personal interest? Because all these fights whatsoever, all of them centered on personal interest. Wike cannot tell Nigerians or the people of Rivers State that what is happening right now or what he's doing that he's doing it because of the people of Rivers State or for the interest of Rivers State. No, it's not possible. He's just doing it for his own personal gain. So my country people, these are Nigerians reacting. This actually did not go down well with a lot of people. They've dropped their thoughts with us, and please, I would like to hear your own thoughts, your wonderful thoughts. Feel free to drop them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our video. Thank you very much. Bye.